See, exercise 3.5, right? Yes or no?
Sir.
Question number 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 तो कल ही हो गया था. यस, चल सर, मुंह दांत दिखा के सब बोल गुड मॉर्निंग सर. दांत दिखना चाहिए.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
हाँ, एकदम जगा हुआ रहा कि सोया नहीं रह जाना है. समझ में आया सबको ना? कि इंग्लिश में बोलूं? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4(1). क्वेश्चन नंबर 4(1). बोल रहा है फॉर्म ए पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन द फॉलोइंग प्रॉब्लम एंड फाइंड देयर सॉल्यूशन इफ दे एग्जिस्ट. करेक्ट है? क्या बोल रहा है कि पहले पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन बनाना है. सॉरी, वी शुड फॉर्म द पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन, देन आफ्टर दैट if they exist you should find the value. if they doesn't exist, ignore it. Correct? अच्छा. So in this 4, question number 1 is saying a part of monthly hostel charge is fixed and remaining depends on the number of days has taken the food in the mess. Like same case, yesterday we learned one question, like for 3 days book cost is fixed, library problem, right? And if you are taking more days and every day something extra, same question, right? So saying a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed, monthly hostel charges is fixed and remaining depends on the number of days has taken the food from the mess. Means 2 things came. First thing what? Hostel charges. Second is the food charges. Hostel charges, food charges. And hostel charges is fixed. Hostel charges fixed. सर like fixed hostel charges. Correct ना? अच्छा. When a student take a food for 20 days, she has to pay ₹1,000. She has to pay ₹1,000 as a hostel charge. Whereas the student B who take food for 26 days pays 1180 rupees. 1180 rupees. Find the fixed charge and hostel charge per day. Find the fixed charge and hostel charge per day. Getting? So let food charge assume X. Sorry, hostel charge assume X and food charge assume Y. X and Y what? Rupees. X and Y is rupees, not like X kilo and Y kilo. Correct, it's rupees. Acha. So saying first one I have taken hostel. And food for 20 days. And food for 20 days. So 20 days into Y, 20Y. Correct na? Plus 20Y. And total cost become how much? 1,000. This only question saying na. First person have taken hostel and food for 20 days. Then she have paid 1,000 rupees. So hostel charge plus food charge is equal to how much? 1,000. And next one, fixed hostel charge plus 26 day food charge. So 26 days into food charge. So 26 Y. And they have paid how much? 1180. 1180. Correct? Now we should find the value of just X and Y. Correct? Can you find it? How? Simply minus. This get cancelled. Minus 6Y is equal to 0, 2, and this is how much? 1. Are yes or no?
Yes, sir. 0.
Correct na? Something is wrong. Are 180 minus 1,000 you should do, right? Like this you should do na? This is minus and this is plus. So 0, 8 and 1, right? But answer will be minus. So minus 180. Cancel. Y is equal to 6 3 is 18, 30. y is equal to 30. So if y is equal to 30, y is equal to
30.
so x plus 20 into 30 is equal to how much? 1000. I am putting in equation 1. So x is equal to 1000 minus 600. Yes or no? 3 to the 600. So now x is equal to 400. So this is your hostel charge. This is your per day food charge. This is your per day food charge. In exam you write per day food charge, hostel charge. Understood? Question number 2. See, saying a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. When 1 is subtracted from the numerator. So let fraction be x and y. X by y. Let the fraction be. In exam don't write this fraction is equal to. Let the fraction be. What I am speaking that you have to write. Understood? Fraction. Let the fraction be x and y. This whole thing after going from here, like when you will go home, this whole thing complete it. Like here I am taking this is the per day food charge, hostel charge. This whole thing you should complete in the home. Understood? So let the fraction be x and y. Then saying fraction become 1 by 3. Fraction becomes, this is the fraction. Yes or no? This become 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from numerator. 1 is subtracted from numerator. So minus 1 we did. Minus 1 we did over, right? Achha, next saying and it becomes 1 by 4. It becomes 1 by where is right? It become 1 by 4. What become? Fraction only will become 1 by 4. Yes na? When becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to denominator. When 8 is added to denominator. We get our equation? Yes or no? Now just simplify it fast. Fast. Done. I am saying to do man, not to copy. Thora side sir. Full life busy, be busy in copying only. See here, do cross multiplication. So 3 into x minus 1 is equal to y. So 3x minus 3 is equal to y. Bring y this side. So 3x minus y is equal to plus 3. Yes na? This side minus 3, this side plus 3. Solve this one. 4x is equal to y plus 8. Yes na? 4x, this one cross multiplication. So 4x minus y is equal to equation number 1, equation number 2. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. 3x minus y is equal to 3. 4x minus y is equal to 8. Change the sign. So y will get cancelled, right? Minus plus minus. Yes na? So minus of x is equal to minus of 5. Now minus minus cancel. X is equal to 5. We get x is equal to 5. Then which is looking easy? This one, right? So 5 3 is 15. 5 3 is, be with me. 5 3 is minus 15. So 3 minus 15 minus 12. 3 minus 15 minus 12. This side also minus, this side also minus. Y minus minus get cancelled. So y is equal to correct. But in exam don't write directly. Put the value like how I put it here. See how I put it and find the value, right? So many time I did, so I did here directly. Understood? But in exam, do a step by step. If you not do a step by step, you will not be getting marks. So your fraction is what? Fraction is what? Or x by y. What is the value of x?
5.
Y?
12.
So fraction is 5 by 12. Correct? Question number
3.
Question number 3. Till here it's visible, right? Bring the camera here.
Oh, yes, sir.
Chalo, question number? What is the question number now?
4-3.
Question number 3. Chalo. Yes, score 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. Correct? He has scored 40 marks in a test, in that 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. Correct na? Means total marks is 40. Total marks is for correct plus 3, for wrong minus 1. Right? So next. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer. Correct. Next situation saying, like, for correct question he is getting plus 4 and minus they are getting, wrong they are getting minus 2. Correct? Achha. Then yes would have scored 50 marks. Yes would have scored, means one situation is this, one situation is this. In this, if it's situation like this, you would have scored 50 marks total. Correct? Yes or no? Then how many questions were there in the test? Asking how many questions were there in the test. So what you will do? See, for correct question, 3 marks. Only one, first think one situation. For correct question 3 marks. For wrong question
4.
wrong answer.
Minus 1.
Correct answer 3 marks. Wrong answer minus 1 marks. Correct na? Acha. Means whatever wrong they are doing, whatever, at least that are one question. Yes, either is correct or wrong, but that is one question. Correct na? If correct they will get this much, if wrong they will get this much. So assume for correct x is there and wrong y is there. Correct x is there, wrong
Y is there.
so what I am assuming? Correct x, wrong y. Correct x, wrong y. Acha. So first situation, for correct 3 marks, so 3 into x.
Sir.
Yes or no? Number of correct, like you have done 5 correct. You have done,
5.
so total marks
5.
5 into 3.
15.
Don't be in your school. You are in concept classes.
10.
Correct. So 5 3s are 15. So 5 into 3 done. And in that you did 2 wrong. So 2 into minus 1. Yes or no? So minus 2. Oh sorry, 1y, right? Minus y. And total marks how much they have get? 40. Correct na? Acha. Next situation saying, if for correct 4 marks, so 4x, for wrong 2 marks, 2y, and total marks is 50. So we get our 2 equation. We got our 2 equation. Yes or no? So what we will do? We will find correct question, we will find the wrong question. We will find correct question, we will find the wrong question, we will add. That will give the total number of questions. Yes or no? So simplify this. Shall I multiply into 2? So for making this y same. Right. So say multiply here how much? 3 into 2?
6.
Bapre, I thought this also you will not be knowing. Thank God, something you know. Then how much? 40 into 2?
20.
This also people saying wrong, man. Are 40 into 2?
18.
So say this also saying don't have confidence. Now here, see, many things you will not be knowing. Yes or no? In this question, many things will not be knowing. But at the time you get when yes I know 3 to the 6. So that one also can't say. Means what is this? So now both sign is same. Both sign is same. So we should change the sign. Minus plus minus. Cancel. This become 2x is equal to 30. X is equal to 15. Yes or no? This also don't know. How came this x bring this to this side? So 30 by 2 is equal to 15. Now x is equal to 15. Put here somewhere. Here, right? Becoming small. So 15 3 ja 45. I am also shocked that I am teaching 10th standard people. 14 3 ja 45. So this side minus 45. 40 minus 45. How much? Minus 5. Minus. So minus y minus 5. How much? Plus 5. So y is equal to 5. Y is equal to. So this much is the correct one. This much is the wrong one. So total number of question is how much?
20.
It's equal to 20. Done. Yes or no?
Sir.
So question number 4. Visible here, man? Not visible. Then we will not write there. Question number 4. See, saying a place A and B. A place A, B. If I write here also, it will be 100 km only. And if I write here also, even it will 100 km only, right? So why you should waste our space? Yes or no? Because you just assumed. So A and B distance is how much?
100 kilometer.
100 km. Distance between A and B?
100 kilometer.
True or not? If I write here also, it will be 100 km only. If I write here also, why I should waste our space? Correct. Our teacher used to say like that time. Like train is going from a station A and train is coming from a station B. Same question. Till now, people say like why you are learning integration and differentiation in 12th standard? Yes or no? Then for integration, differentiation and trigonometry, people will abuse full life. Like why my teacher have taught this? Yes, no, because it's not coming in use. Yes or no? But actually they don't know where it will come in use. But what they have learned in the childhood, train is going from a station A and train is coming from a station B. Where is the station A and B in the world? Or where there is station A and B is there in the world? So for this no doubt, because this one they have understood. Right? That one they don't understood. So asking that question, right? Chalo, next. So a place A and B are 100 km apart on highway. Achha. On a car start from A start from A. एक कार बना देता हूँ. It's new design. 2 हेडलाइट लगा देता हूँ. ये स्पोर्ट्स कार है अपना. करेक्ट है. A and B, if they travel in the same direction means one is going this side, one is going this side. And if they travel in the same direction with different speed are not same. Speed are not same. They meet in 5 hours. They meet in 5 hours. Achha. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. They meet in 1 hour. Achha. So this is to travel towards each other. One is going this side, one is going this side. Travel towards each other, and one is going in the same direction. Yes or no? First one arrow means going in the one going this side, one going this side. So travel towards each other. Yes or no? Achha. One is going. Sorry, both is going same direction. Achha. Now, if going into the which direction? Are going opposite. Are going like one is going this side, one is coming this side, right? Both are opposite to each other.
Both are meeting one point.
Both will meet at some point. Both will meet at some point. Acha, both meeting at some point. Then where the question went? In one situation they meet in the 5 hour. One situation they meet in the
1 hour.
1 hour. Yes or no? Acha. So if they are going in the same direction, if they are going in the
Same direction.
and one is different direction, right? Acha. Same direction means a speed will be less or more.
More.
Speed will be less or more.
More, sir.
Let one car speed is u, one car speed is v. One car speed is u, one car speed is v. When they both are going in same direction, then u minus v. U minus v. Going in the different direction means u plus v. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is the speed. Kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. True? Yes, na? Now just simplify the time. Simplify the time. So time is equal to what? I told the triangle. This triangle. DTS. Time is equal to distance by speed.
Yes, sir.
Time is equal to distance by speed. So distance is how much?
100 kilometers.
100 kilometer. A speed is how much?
U and V.
If I take first one, u minus v, correct, is equal to time. So time is how much for this one? 5.
5.
For one is 5, right na?
Sir.
Acha. And other one 100 by u plus v, and time is how much?
1.
1. Yes or no?
Sir.
Acha. Do cross multiplication. 5 u minus v is equal to 100 and u plus v is equal to 100. True? Yes or no?
Sir.
Acha. What you can do now? Can we cancel this 5 and 100 by 20? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Not getting. What is the problem in this? Acha, if not getting, then see. U minus v is equal to 100 by 5. So 520 ja. Now okay na? So same thing they have done before also. So u minus v is equal to 20. Equation number 1. And u plus v is equal to 100. Equation number 2. Now use this both equation from 1 and 2. U minus v is equal to 20. U plus v is equal to 100. Correct? 2u is equal to 2u is equal to, add it.
120.
So u is equal to
120 kilometers.
u is equal to
60.
60.
Yes, sir.
60. Then v is equal to u is equal to 60. U is equal to minus 60.
Yes, sir.
This side. So 20 minus 60 minus 40. So minus get cancelled. V is equal to 40. So this much kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Correct? See this one. If you not understood what I told, car is going this way and car is going this way. Yes or no? Means if both is going on the same road only, like when you do the bike racing, both is going on the same side only, correct? So if one bike speed is more and one bike speed is less, so meeting will take time, right? Yes or no? And they are not going on the constant speed, sometime more, sometime less. So in this situation, meeting will take less time or more time. Think. Wait. Second situation I am saying you. Then you say. One situation, one is going from this side, one is coming from this side. Correct? And they will meet here. They will meet here. Correct? Na? In which situation they can meet fast? This situation or this situation?
Down situation.
In this situation they will meet fast. Yes or no? So in this situation if they meet fast, means the speed will be, in this situation they will different direction, they will meet fast. Yes or no? But in this situation, Yes or no? Because one is going and one other is also going. So both one speed do minus at whatever time it will come, that time they will meet. Understood or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
this only I told here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Chalo to see next question. Next question is question number 5. Question number 5.
5.
Saying the area of rectangle. Area of saying rectangle, so first assume first rectangle. Rectangle, right? Yes or no?
Sir.
Length is x. Let the length be x and breadth be y. You can assume meter, centimeter, kilometer, whatever you want. So here area is equal to xy. Area is equal to length into breadth. Yes or no? Now area of rectangle get reduced by 9 square unit. Get reduced by, so xy get reduced by 9. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
When it get reduced, if the length is reduced by 5, length is reduced by
5.
means length is x, so x minus 5, yes na, and breadth is increased by 3. Breadth is increased by 3, so breadth is how much? Y plus 3. Length into breadth, get the new one. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is one equation. Other one is saying if we increase the length by 3 unit, increase the length by 3 unit, so x plus 3, increase the length. Yes or no? And the breadth by 2 unit, this also saying to increase, y plus 2. Then area becomes, area increased by 67 unit. Area increased by 67 square unit plus 67. Yes or no? Area increased by 67 square unit. Then find the dimension of a rectangle. Find the dimension of a
Rectangle.
rectangle. Correct na? True or not?
True, sir. True.
Chalo, तो find करो. This must give an unit. This must give an unit. So xy square unit. Unit into unit. Square unit, right? Now just simplify this. Just wait, this one I'm writing a little bit down. This one up from here. Correct? Multiply. So x into y, xy. X into y
X.
plus 3x minus 5y minus 15 is equal to xy minus 9. Xy minus
9.
xy both side
Yes, sir.
cancel. So 3x minus 5y. This side minus 15. This side.
Plus 15.
So 15 plus 9. 15 plus 9. 24. Arre 9 plus 5.
4.
24, right? Acha. So here we get one equation.
Yes, sir.
Yes na? Simplify this one. X into y, xy.
Yes, sir.
X plus x in here 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to xy plus 67.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Xy, this is plus. Xy cancel.
Yes, sir.
So 2x plus 3y is equal to 67 minus x. 67. How much?
61.
61. This become equation number 2. Now from 1 and
2.
2. From 1 and 2. So write one. 3x plus minus, right?
Minus 5y is equal to 24.
And
2x plus 3y is equal to 61.
true.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So which one I have to cancel? X or y?
Y.
Y is the big number, right?
Yes, sir.
Try to cancel y only. So here multiply with 5. Here multiply with
3.
3. Your wish. Whichever you want you can cancel. So right here. After multiplication just I'm writing here. So what become? 9x. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Minus 15y is equal to 24 3 ja
72.
72. After writing also sometime I speak man. Here 5 2 जा 10x plus 15y, yes or no, is equal to 5 and 30, yes or no. Now this get cancelled, so we are just adding, so this become 19x, 19. So 12 minus 9 is 3.
0. Yes.
देख अब हमने means I have done, then saying yes sir we have get right. See, don't have problem in this. Where the problem in the table, and he is saying, see who is speaking in middle also. So x is equal to 17. X is equal to
17.
if x is equal to 17, then y is equal to
2, sir.
y is equal to x is equal to 17. So 34 here.
Sir.
Is it visible here? Let I write that side. So what we get here? 2x plus 3y, right? Is equal to 61. So 2 into 17 plus 3y is equal to 61. So 3y is equal to 61 minus 34. Yes or no? No. 17 to how much?
34.
34. So this side plus 34. This side minus 34.
Sir.
Who is saying no here? So 11 minus 4? 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4.
8. 7.
Acha. Then 5 minus 3.
2, sir.
So y is equal to? So y is equal to?
This is 2.